Wow, I don't think I've seen this many species in one place since our Dinosaurs A to Z picnic. Yeah, I'm so excited. This is gonna be the best day ever.
Follow me, kids, to homeroom for your orientation.
Orin and Ollie!
Hey, buddy! Hey, Tiny! Hey, Shiny! Hey, Dawn!
I'm so glad you guys are here. This is gonna be great. I can't wait to find out more about dinosaurs.
Yeah! Buddy, you're gonna be the best! We'll just hang around you and ask for the answers!
I've always really loved learning dinosaur facts. The names, the species, the features. It's kind of Buddy's thing.
Buddy's a dinosaur fact superstar.
Yeah, today's gonna be the best day ever. Hello, I'm Tiny Pteranodon.
I'm Dennis. I'm a Dinochirus. I come from the Ornithomimosaur family of theropods.
An ornithomimosaur? We are too!
Of course, but you're Ornithomimus. You have very different features. I'm bigger and have way longer arms. You can run faster than me.
We can run really fast! Oh, okay, good, gonna get you!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 horns. That's the most horns of any ceratopsian. There's a velociraptor. They have 3-inch long claws on their hind feet.
Wow! I like that kid. He knows a lot about dinosaurs. Hey, just like you, buddy.
Thank you, Gilbert. Everyone be seated. What are the most important jobs of a conductor on the dinosaur train? Yes, buddy.
Knowing dinosaur facts.